Have you ever wondered how the precision of prepositions can enhance your understanding and articulation of market data? Today, we delve into the world of in, on, and at, and how these prepositions can transform your interpretation of market trends, economic analysis, and financial reporting. First, we turn our attention to in. Picture this scenario. The demand for organic foods peaked in 2021, aligning with health trends. The use of peaked in gives us a precise time frame, indicating the zenith of demand reached within a specific year. Or imagine, our digital ad campaign trended in various demographics, particularly in the 18-25 age group. This use of in provides a clear understanding of where the campaign gained popularity. Moving on to on. This preposition often describes market reactions. For instance, stock prices dipped on news of regulatory changes, reflecting investor concerns. The phrase dipped on creates a cause and effect relationship, linking the action of dipping to the cause. Another example, rental housing prices stabilized on government policy revisions. Here, stabilized on connects the effect of price stability with its cause, policy changes. Next up, at. This preposition helps pinpoint specific values. Consider this. Interest rates bottomed out at 1.5%, signaling an all-time low. The phrase bottomed out at clearly marks the lowest interest rate. Or look at grocery inflation peaked at 5% in May, the highest in the last decade. This statement indicates the exact inflation rate and its significance. In today's session, we have journeyed through the landscape of in, on, and at, shedding light on how these prepositions can add depth and clarity to your data description. To hone your skills, practice using these prepositions with current market data. Feel free to share your examples with us in the comments. For further learning and practical assistance, head to verbaling.com/teachers/Marie. Until next time, keep exploring the intricate world of market data.